Today I'm going to show you how to use and a review on the Cabelas 12-inch heavy-duty vacuum sealer. It comes with a vacuum sealer, 4 juice blockers, a few bags, and a nice carrying case. I'll link this down below if you want to purchase it. The manual seal feature on this is what you will use to start new bags by sealing one end. The pulse setting is used for crushable items like berries or bread, and you can control exactly how much vacuum pressure you're putting into the bags. The standard or extended button is going to be used for if you have items that have a lot of fluid or juice and you want a little bit more extended time of vacuum, and it will double seal. There's also a canister setting and ACC port for sealing jars. And in the middle, you have the auto vac and cancel button. That's what you will press to activate the vacuum sealing process and also to stop if you need to stop earlier. Take your vacuum bag and place one end underneath these 2 black tabs right here. Close the lid and press the silver handle down and press manual start. You'll see the orange indicating lights light up at the top, and when you receive a blue light, the sealing is finished, and you can open it by lifting the silver handle and removing your bag. I've placed the steak in a pre-sealed bag, and I'm going to do the same process by placing the bag under the black tabs, closing the lid, making sure it is locked in place, and begin the sealing process by pressing the red button in the center. Again, the indicating lights at top will load, and when you receive a blue light on the end, you'll know that the sealing process has finished. For ground beef, I like to smash the patty down a little bit and get it flat. Then, similar to the steak, insert it under the black tabs, close the lid until it is seated, and press the start button. A helpful tip for ground beef is once the process is done and it's all sealed, you can smush it out even more and get it in all areas of the bag. This will make it easier to stack in your deep freezer and also lead to quicker thawing times. Overall, I'd highly recommend this vacuum sealer. I buy bulk meat from Sam's Club or Costco and divvy it out into family-sized portions, and it helps me save money and also save space in the freezer. Hope this helps.